Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say, come again. If you cannot stay down, then you do not have to pretend like there is no way out. I should've never.
Oh, you're fine. I'm in your way. Very nice. Why do people do this? Why? Why do people do this? Why? I'm moving her car out my way. Alright, so. Yeah. You gotta check the back of these, so sometimes they be a mess. For them to be so good for you, they always a damn mess. I don't really like how they look. I really don't. And then,
Every time I come in, I feel and I got two of them. They're two really cute ones.
I can snack on these. Oh, I can snack on these. Look at that sodium.
Saying I'm done playing. Last time was on an outro. Stuck in the house, need to get out more. I've been stacking up like I'm fundraising. Most people in my position get complacent. Come places with star girls. End up on the front pages. I'm quiet with it, I just ride with it. Moment I stop having fun with it, I'll be done with it. I'm the only one that's putting shots up, and like a potluck, you need to come with it. Don't run from it. H-Town in the summertime, I keep it 100. A lot of girls in my times there. Word of Paul Wall, not one fronted. Birthday in my first year, man, I know that place like I come from it. Backstage at warehouse in 09 like it's fun coming. Dad, is anyone coming before I show up there and there's no one there? These days.
Can I get a slice of your pepperoni and cheese? Yep. Yeah. Give me a slice of the cheese too. Yeah,
You want a drink or anything?
No, I'm good on the drink.
Got in a box or on a plate?
I'm gonna take it to go.
636.
Okay. Have a good one. You too. You too. Thank you. No, I'm telling y'all, this pizza is good. Thank me later. I'm telling you, it's so bomb. Okay. Hey y'all. Hey. So this is my sage. I've had so many people running in and out of here, like, you know, the construction workers, the moving people. And once everything was said and done, I saged my whole house. So I wanted, you know, any low vibration, bad energy, what have you, all that. I wanted all that out. So I am into sage. It helps me tremendously. So I use this a lot. Yeah, this is really good. I encourage everybody to sage. Yeah. And once you're done, you will feel like peace. Like, I can't explain it. So YouTube it, read up on it. I'm sure everybody know about saging, but yeah, so I do that from time to time. I don't want any kind of bad vibes. So anywho, I went to Trader Joe's. I went in town and I went to Trader Joe's. We don't have a Trader Joe's here in PA. So the closest one here is either in Philly, which is not that close. And of course the one in town. So I picked up my pineapple juice. I picked up my shrimp. Of course, my green beans. I needed some more avocado oil. I picked that up as well. I picked up some blueberries. I picked up these vitamins. I'm going to start these tomorrow. Yeah. So I picked those up. I picked up some lemon. I picked up some apples. I like Honeycrisp. So these are Honeycrisp apples. I love Honeycrisp apples. They are so good. Honeycrisp apples and green apples are my favorite. I love me a good green apple cold. And I picked me up some oranges. And I picked up some lemon. So yeah, I am extremely tired. I am just now getting home and it is 8:13. I have been out all day since I got off work this morning and I have been ripping and running. I also had my nail appointment today and oh my goodness, she had to push my appointment back because she was so busy today and I was not going to reschedule. So I needed to get that done. My nails were a mess. I've been so busy that I have neglected my nails. Yeah, so I was like, I'm not missing my appointment. I needed my nails done. So I am getting ready to lay down and hopefully I will crash and not wake up until the next day around the same time. Now it's what, 8:14? But I am exhausted. So this is going to be bye for now. So, hey guys, good morning. Real quick, this is a mess. I am trying to figure out everything. I'm doing my bathroom today, so I'm just trying to see where I want to put things. I have everything boxed and scattered. I started already putting things up in my closet, but it's just so much. I didn't realize, you never know how much stuff you have until you have to like box it up and unbox it, basically move. But I'm to the point where I want to throw everything in the trash and just start over. But anywho, real quick, I want to show you guys what I got from the Sephora sale when the Sephora sale was going on. I believe it's over now. Okay, so I have fallen in love with NARS products. That's all that I use. Hold on, show you. So that's all that I use for the most part. And another thing that I like is Becca. I use a lot of Becca as well. Becca is really, really good too. Where is it? Okay, is this it? No, that's not it. Oh, where is it? Is it in here? Did I put it in here? Okay. Well, anywho, so I just picked up concealer, and I picked up the NARS concealer, and the color that I got this time is caramel. So I'm so excited because I'm pale as shit. Like, girl, I'm pale. So I'm pale without a tan, but honey, when that tan kicks in, honey, I look like a different girl. But I just, yeah. So anywho, and I also Picked up this NARS bronzer, and the color that I picked up is the Samoan. So I'm really excited to try these two products. NARS is so good. Like NARS is the shit. So I picked these two products up. I didn't get much. Like I said, I'm not a big makeup girl. So I stick with what I know for the most part. I've always used NARS and Becca I use NARS for my bronzer, I use NARS for my concealer, and Becca for mainly my under eye area. And yeah, so I picked that up. I'm excited to try these. And this I got off of a recommendation. I am going to link her TikTok. She's on YouTube too, but she's mainly on TikTok. I'm going to try to link her TikTok below. Her page is open, so I'm sure I could like link her page. And if I can, I'm not gonna do both. Well, maybe she doesn't. I'm sure she doesn't mind. I'm gonna link her TikTok and I'm gonna link her YouTube for those who want to know. But I really like her. I really like her content. Like she's really, really good. And me and her about the same complexion, and she mentioned that she picked this up. This is like her favorite go-to because she's another one. Like she said, she's pale as shit. Like, so I picked this up, and I'll link her channels below. Now, don't ask me about Instagram. I don't know her Instagram. Once you go on her page, you can see what her Instagram is. I'm not going to link that because I'm not on Instagram. But so yeah, I picked those two things up. I didn't get carried away. Like I said, my phone cut out. Like I said, I don't get carried away at Sephora because I'm not a big makeup person. I wear one, two, three things, and that's it. I don't really take my makeup game serious, and nobody else should either. As far as I'm concerned, I'm talking about myself. So I'm speaking of me only. I don't do much. Just a little bit, and it's mainly in the winter time for the months that I'm very pale. So yeah. So what I'm gonna do is try to tackle this bathroom and put my products away. Another thing too, you guys, these two products here, I picked this up, and I think I put this in like a vlog, maybe showing you guys that I picked this up. These two products are my holy grail. Like every time I wear these two products, I get so many compliments. Are you like, what did you do to your face? What did you do to your face? What do you have on your face? I barely wear anything on my face at all. And if I do wear something on my face, it's just concealer, bronzer, and a good mascara. But for the most part, I'm just ODing on my skincare. That's it. But you guys, if you don't get anything else, pick this up. Pick this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Dewdrop. Please pick it up. Thank me later. Thank me later. Like I said, you guys should be on your health, skin, and nails vitamins. This changed. Like I told you guys, I went to try to find something for my nails it's going on like 3 years now. It ended up working wonders for my hair. So it's been about 3 years since I've been on this consistently. And I'm going to put a picture of my hair up here somewhere, either side by side or somewhere. But you guys, this works wonders for your hair. I am about to tackle this whole bathroom, so I will see you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, real quick, I just wanted to do like a quick Zara unboxing of these really cute shoes that I purchased from Zara. It's going on a month now, yeah, maybe about a month. I do believe that they're still on their website. I'll link them below. But you guys, this is the perfect date night sexy little shoe I've seen. I do not wear heels anymore. I wore all my heels at the wrong time when I was young. I used to wear all that 5-inch heels, all that stuff when I was younger, and now I can't even, if it's not a kitten heel, Paula, your girl can't do it at all. But I can do a kitten heel, and you guys, I found the perfect little cute shoe. So yeah, can we get into this cute shoe? I've already seen this and opened this already. Don't mind me, I'm just sitting on my floor right now to do this unboxing. So you guys, let's get into how sexy this shoe is. Oh my God. Come on, Paula, come on. Ugh. You guys, look how sexy these shoes are. Look at that heel. I can do that heel all day long. I cannot wait. This is the perfect date night. I cannot wait for date night to rock these cute shoes. Oh my God, look at how sexy these shoes are. Oh my goodness, look how cute these shoes are. Like I said, I am slowly unboxing a lot of things. A lot of things that I'm going to be showing are things that I previously ordered before I moved into my home. So I am just unboxing like a lot of things, and I just came across these cute little shoes. Now I am a size 10. Yeah, I wear a US 10. But I didn't know how these would be cut, so I went up a size. So these are size 41. And y'all, they fit perfect. Like, they look so sexy on my feet. I cannot wait to wear them. Oh my God, I cannot wait. This is gonna be, I know y'all say hot girl summer. I am no hot girl, but this is gonna be a sexy summer. But yes, I love these little cute shoes, so I cannot wait to rock them, and I sure will link them below. Okay, and they were reasonable in price. They were $59.90. So